Dang, this gives me motion sickness.
Who said that, Allegra?
Grandma Celeste was here this week.
Look, and they didn't want to come. The girls have already had so much fun. Oh my god, I can't keep it steady. They're gonna get motion sickness watching this. No, I mean when you guys watch it.
No one's having as much fun as John. Not one kid.
They're just staring at him like, what is wrong with him? Oh. Look at Oli, she's like not understanding because he's real serious with his daughters. Jennifer,
Okay, we can shut it off.
the
now.
dogs are not up. The dogs are not pent up.
I hope that got recorded.
Just kidding, guys. I'm not scared of dogs anymore.
Okay, wait, guys. Everybody go say hi to Tommy.
I was dude.
Where's the big guy? Oh.
Baramu, very good.
You guys want to put some apples on that?
Baramu.
Oh, that sheep just figured it out.
They're scared that so many people.
Can I say hi, Tommy? Is that alright? Can I go over here and say hi? Can I try? No, sit back. Let me just say hi. See if they run off and we'll see if we can bring you in here.
Where's Oli? Oh.
Grab this.
Jack, if you get down low, they'll come towards you.
And so I don't like to see
Give
him
them some
do
of this. They like squinting.
It's less intimidating when you're down.
Charge! Still playing horseshoes, huh?